Every garment tells a story, and every story begins with a single stitch. And with DOSEfashions Academy, we are turning fabric into fashion and empowering creatives to see with confidence. Welcome to course 102 of our premium sewing class, the Basic Skirt Sewing Tutorial. And hi, we'll be guiding you through the journey. Mary Adena is my name, and I am your fashion tutor. The foundation in this course, we are building a skirt from the ground up. We begin with carefully prepared pattern pieces, the blueprint for a perfect fit. Each cut, each notch, each dart is a step towards a skirt that drapes beautifully on the body. We make use of our pattern from the pattern drafting that we have on our channel here in our basic essential playlist. Check out to do all your basic patterns there. Shaping and structure. We shape the waistband. With that, ensuring a flattened silhouette, seam by seam, the front and back panels come together. Our hands guide the fabric as stitches bring it to life. This is where precision meets creativity. Just like art, and with DOSEfashions Academy, all we do is to help you give your creativity expressions with our simple, detailed, and timely pattern making, craft and sewing classes. It is learn at your pace with DOSEfashions Academy. Just let us know your available time, your available days, and we'll be there to guide you through the journey step by step. As sewing is fun and is also therapeutic. Function meets styles. Next, we sew in the side seam pocket, a fixture that's as practical as it is stylish, with careful placement and neat stitching. The pocket becomes part of the skirt design, not just an add-on. Yeah. Then we attach the waistband. The finishing touch. Don't forget ironing techniques. It's a concept on its own, which you're also going to be learning how to do that. Adding of her waistband. The finishing touch that gives the skirt its structure and a polished edge. Interfacing, pressing, and top stitching. Ensure it holds its shapes beautifully, just like you learn the concept of ironing and a polish finishing. This is not a course you should miss. You should message us and let us know your available days and time for this course. Professional finishing. One of the highlights of this lesson is installing an invisible zipper, right? These techniques allow the zipper to blend seamlessly into the seam, giving the skirt a refined, high-end look, combined with neat ends and careful pressing. Your finished skirt will look and feel like a designer pieces. Do you know the feeling? You know the feeling, right? Of having a beautiful design, which is completely your own. Not just seeing, but having a professional look. Bringing everything all together step by step from fabric to fashion. You are not just sewing a skirt, you are building skills that will elevate every garment you make. With each dart, pocket, and zipper, your confidence as a sews grows. Aha! This is basic skirt sewing tutorial. This basic skirt sewing tutorial is course 102 in our premium sewing classes at DOSEfashions Academy. You want to join in? You want to learn at your pace? You want us to schedule one-on-one section for you? Send us message now at dosefashions1@gmail.com or use the contact link on our profile. You can send us message on our WhatsApp platform, and you can as well mail us. Or you drop a comment here saying, I am in to get started. There is a tight pricing that is available for those that are signing up for more than a course. You don't want to miss it. The training sections are affordable and they are learned at your pace. I see you all in classes. Gain access to every lesson and start creating garments you'll be proud to wear. See you. Bye.